You can charge iPhone 17 Pro Max in a few methods. The first one, the most popular one, the wired method. As you can see over here, I've got 100 watt cable and it's connected to the 120 watts power adapter. But if I'm gonna plug it in, it will only charge the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the 40 watts because the iPhone 17 Pro Max only support 40 watts fast charging. So even when you connect more powerful cable or charger, it's not gonna increase the speed because it's hardware locked to the 40 watts. And this is the first method. You can use any cable that you want, of course, USB-C cable, and any power adapter. In my case, I'm even using the old charger from my Xiaomi smartphone, and it works. There's also the method, the wireless method, so we can use a wireless charger. And of course, the wireless charging method is slower than the wired one because it supports 25 watts. So if you want to charge the smartphone as fast as possible, you have to use charging cable and connect this into the power adapter. But also you are able to charge the smartphone by using other devices. You can just simply connect the cable into the older phone, Android or iPhone, then connect into your iPhone because this device support reverse wireless charging, which is super useful. So we can charge iPhone by using other devices, but also we can charge other devices by using the iPhone. You can use Android adapters, Android cables, or the original from Apple. It doesn't actually matter, just your preferences. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick information for you.